spy. Oh, thank you guys so much for clicking this video to actually watch it to see what I have to say. But today I'm going to be talking about just protective styles in general. Okay, so the people in the like 3C, 3A, 3B type range, I wouldn't recommend keeping your hair in for much longer than a month, to be quite honest, because as long as you keep these braids in, this is hair, actual hair thugging on your edges. So a lot of people have a lot of breakage to the top of their edges itself, but not mainly in the center of the hair, because their hair is much thicker and coarser in that area. Personally, I don't have a problem with it. I left my hair in for the longest 4 months. Yeah, 4 months. I believe 4 months was my time period to have my hair in, and I maintained that so well, I must say, for myself. But that was only a period of time when I was transitioning, and I had no idea what to do with my natural hair, to be quite honest, and I was scared to take it out because I don't know what would have happened. But to be honest, I didn't experience any breakage at all. So also, once you're getting your hair done, please tell your hairdresser if it's way too tight on your edges. You will feel it. You'll see bumps developing on your forehead area or the sides of your hair. So just be mindful of that, because the protective style is to protect the hair, not break up the edges. Okay? Okay. Good. Now, another good tip to make sure and have is don't style your hair the first week or when you first get your protective style. I recommend not doing that because the roots and the edges and everything is just so tight and so neat that it's going to be a lot of pulling if you try to pull your hair up like this. So I suggest just leaving it down, because it prevents it from tugging even more on those edges. It's going to be much harder to even style your hair at the first week when you got your protective style. So whichever direction or whichever way you want your hairstylist to, you know, whatever way you want your hair to drop, just to leave it out. Let your hairstylist know, so that way they can put the rubber bands or the braid or the twist, whatever it may be, to that direction. Because you don't, like I said, the first week you definitely do not want any extra styling or extra tugging on your roots or your edges or anything like that, because it will cause the hair to pull out even faster. Does that make sense? Yeah, so that makes sense. So okay, you guys definitely have to moisturize your hair no matter what type of hairstyle you do. Yeah, I recommend moisturizing your hair, like full on moisturizing your hair with every type of product once a week, and then during the week add water, spritz water, and also spritz some leave-in conditioner into the hair, because you don't want something that's too thick in the hair, because it's going to cause a lot of buildup. But I will definitely link the video of me moisturizing my hair, my routine and everything, and the products that I use to moisturize my hair in this video down below, or I'll leave it up in the cards here. But definitely make sure I moisturize your hair, because it's very, 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 very important. Last and final recommendation, please make sure and tie your hair. Tying your hair is absolutely important. You want to make sure that your hair do not get any extra tangles, any extra knots that don't need to be tied up with. So make sure and tie your hair tight, because you move around and there's friction on your pillow, and it causes way too much going on your natural roots and your hair. So make sure use a silk scarf, wrap your hair tight, and then you should pretty much be good. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That's all my tips that I have for you guys when doing a protective style. So please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my other video.